Today we're going to cook something that I really love. It's one of my favorite snacks. I'm gonna give you some clues. Maybe you can guess what we are making. The snack, the thing that we're making today, you can top it off with sugar, salt, or nothing. Do you know what I'm talking about yet? Let me give you another clue. It's something that we often eat when we watch a movie. It's not crisps. Let me give you another clue. When you make it, before you stop making it, it looks like this. It's a tiny seed. Do you know what I'm talking about yet? And this little seed turns into this. You know what it is? One more clue. Pop, pop, pop. It is popcorn, of course. Today we are making popcorn. To make popcorn, you need a big pot or a big pan, sugar, oil, and popcorn seeds. Before we start, don't forget to wash your hands like this. First step in making popcorn is to add 4 tablespoons of oil in your big pot. Now you add 50 grams of popcorn seeds. Before you start baking, make sure you put the lid on your pot. Let's go! Okay, the next step in making popcorn needs to be done by an adult. So ask an adult around you to pop the popcorn for you. You put your pot with the lid on the fire, and as soon as you hear it popping, it's time to open the lid a little bit. Don't take it off, because the popcorn will pop everywhere. So now it's time to wait. Oh, my popcorn is ready. I think I'm going to watch a movie now. I need some popcorn. Well, good luck with making your popcorn and tell me how it was. Bye, friends!